Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amore Love and today I'm going to be doing a 2-in-1 get ready with me. This is what we're starting off with. I'm going to be pinning my hair back because it needs to be out of my face because we're starting with makeup first. Always drink your waters, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to start with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer and smooth that all into my face. Next I'm going to use a Revlon spoolie to comb my eyebrows up. Guys, I'm ordering from DoorDash and some Chipotle is on the way, so yes. Also, if you guys want free food, definitely use my code down below. It's not sponsored, I'm just saying free food is always good. Moving on, we're gonna go straight into the MAC paint pot. This is the shade Laying Low. Then I'm gonna use this refan brush I got from Amazon, and I'm gonna smooth that all over my eyelids and my lower lash line as well. Today we're going to be using the Tarte in Bloom palette, and I'm going in with Sweetheart and a Sonia Kashuk blending brush, and I'm smoothing that all in my crease. Next I'm going with the shade next to it, and that is called Rebel, and I'm going to blend that a little bit lower than where we did Sweetheart, and I'm going in with some more on the outer edges and blending it a little bit up to Sweetheart, but not too much because I want it to blend a little bit. Guys, I'm trying my eyeshadow first this time, and I think I kind of like it because my eyelids increase, and I don't know, it's really helpful. Next I'm going in with a dense packing brush and my Morphe Luminous spray. And I'm going in with Firecracker just to kind of map out where I want the shimmer to be, because when I go in with a dark shade on my outer lid, I normally tend to bring it in too far. So I just use Firecracker first to kind of tell me where I can apply the dark color. And the dark color we're using is Leader, and I'm just packing that on with a dense packing brush. I think that's what it's called. Just to kind of deepen up that outer lid. I'm also going to drag that a little bit into my crease with the blending brush just to kind of blend out any harsh lines. I'm starting to learn my eye shape a little bit more and ways to drag out the shadow, but guys, I'm still learning, so like I said, give me some tips down in the comments below because I definitely want to be really good at eyeshadow, but like I said, I'm still learning, so don't judge me, just help me. Next, I'm going in with this pencil brush and the Morphe setting spray. Then I'm just going to apply Firecracker all in my inner lid to have a more controlled application, just so I can control where I'm putting it with the pencil brush. And I'm putting that all over my mobile lid and my inner corner and lower lash line. Next, I'm going back in with Rebel with a packer brush and a blending brush. Then for my lower lash line, I'm going in with Sweetheart and Rebel. I'm just reapplying some of the shades because I really want it to be pigmented. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Pro Foundation brush in number 47 from Sephora, then the Born This Way Too Faced foundation, and I'm in the shade Warm Sand. I'm just going to put that all over my face and buff that in with the number 47 foundation brush. Also, I heard that they're revamping their Sephora professional brushes right now. So if you're watching this near the posting date, all their brushes are 50% off right now in store, and I think even some of them are 50% off online. So if I was you, I would go get it while it's cheap because these are professional brushes and I really like them, but 50% off never hurt nobody. Once I have that blended in, I'm going in with the Born This Way concealer and the same foundation brush because I found that this concealer is light. So I just go in with the same brush as I use for my foundation to blend in the concealer. I thought blending around my eyes after the fact with foundation and concealer would be hard, but it wasn't too much of a pain. I don't mind it. I do have to be a little bit careful, but I notice it does help me with the overall eye shape, and I really like that. Next, going in with the Becca Hydro Set and Refresh setting powder, setting that under my eyes and everywhere where it's oily and everywhere that creases. Going in with the Sonia Kashuk blending brush, I'm now going to go back in to reapply eyeshadow on my lower lash line with the same shades we used as before. And I'm just making sure everything is blended and pigmented and adding in anything that we may have lost along the way. Now I'm going in with my e.l.f. liquid liner, and I really like this. It's super cheap and it's really dark and very pigmented and easy to use. And I'm just doing a slight wing liner and very thin liner on the top of my lash line. Now I'm going in with the NYX lip liner, but I'm using it in my waterline. Then going in with the Revlon 3-in-1 spoolie and an e.l.f. angled brush. I'm going in with Smoke Show and Activist to do my brows. I use these two shades for my brows all the time, and I thought today I would just use the entire palette for an eye look. So with the angled brush, I'm just going to lightly feather in those two shades into my brows using upward strokes and just filling in wherever there's missing spot. I'm now using my Ardell brow gel. It used to be clear, but it's not anymore. Then I'm going in with my Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara. Now for lashes, I'm going in with Lily Lashes. I forget what this style is called, but I will leave them in the description box for you guys below. And I'm using the Ardell lash glue, and I wrap it around my fingernail to mold it. I like to pinch my lashes with this thing because it helps to kind of curl them. And then I clamp them together with this little tool thingy. Next, going in with the Kiss New York Professional Contour Kit, and I'm using the last shade to basically warm up and bronze my face with powder. Then I'm going in with a Revolution Pro highlighting palette with a middle shade and an e.l.f. fan brush. And I'm dusting that over my cheeks and high points of my faces, wherever the light hits basically. My eyebrows, my nose, my lips, my cupid's bow, my forehead, and my cheeks. Next, going in with Morphe Luminous Setting Spray and a fan to set everything in place. Then I'm going in with LA Girl Matte Liquid Lipstick and just applying that to my lips. Now I'm just buffing out any smile lines. You guys, how do I get rid of smile lines? Because no matter what, I can't not get them, and I don't know how to avoid it, so let me know in the comments. So for my hair, I wasn't sure if I wanted to keep it down or wear it up, but I decided to look like a ballerina today. But for now, we're going to work on our edges, and then we're going to go with everything else. This is one top knot option. I just wanted to show y'all this. I didn't end up doing my top knot like this, but yeah, we're going to take that down and work on our edges. Firstly, I'm going to smooth my ponytail with a Tangle Teaser just to make sure all the strands are aligned and my ponytail won't be lumpy. Everything will be nice and smooth. Then I'm going in with the Style Factor Edge Booster Edge Control, using about that much and rubbing it between my hands and getting all that frizz to lay up in the back. Then going in with a bristle brush to just smooth everything upward. I noticed towards the end of the clip I needed to apply more edge control and straighten my back edges, but I didn't do that, my bad y'all. But yeah, it is a really good edge control, I just didn't use that much and I didn't really pay much attention. So I'm using these little hair ties that I got from CVS. I actually really love them. Wherever you put your ponytail, it is not gonna move, it is gonna leave it right there in place. I love these little things. So I'm just smoothing up my hair while we focus on baby hairs. Here's how I got that first top knot in case you were wondering. I realized I didn't show it, so here you go if you want to keep it like that. I'm going to go in with this edge brush I got from the beauty supply store, and I'm going to tap it into the edge control and then brush all my edges forward first. Then after I brush them forward, then I start swooping them back into my hair and in the ponytail and making sure everything looks nice and wavy. One day I'll go for a more dramatic baby hair look, but this is generally how I wear mine, just smoothed out and kind of swoopy. So I don't know. One day I'll do more dramatic baby hair, but for now this is how I generally do mine. I just brush them forward, then I start swooping. just to get rid of all that shininess, I'm going to go in with my silk or satin headscarf to tie down the edges. And this is going to allow us to take away all that shiny cast, all that extra product that's laying on your edges. And we're going to keep that like that while we smooth up the rest of our ponytail. So going back in with my Tango Teaser brush, I'm going to brush all my strands up and position the ponytail exactly where I want it to be with a jumbo hair tie. Once I get my hair in a nice high ponytail, I'm going to show you guys another way to get a top knot. I just wasn't sure which way I wanted to wear it, so you guys are seeing me go through all of these little suggestions in my brain. So now I'm going to take off my scarf and I'm just going to smooth down all that product just to make sure everything is not shiny. I don't like that look. And I realized I kind of should have did my baby hairs first before my makeup, but you know, whatever. You live and you learn. It worked out okay. So this is one of the other options I was telling y'all about the top knot. You can just wrap your hair around and then lift the back of the bun upward and then go in with one of these little springy hair ties and it literally holds it in place. Like you don't even have to do heck of extra stuff. So that's one option right there. Bam, bam. That's an actual like knot, you know, but I wanted to do more of a like flat bun, kind of like a ballerina. So what I did was I split my ponytail in half, or you can wear your ponytail loose like this. But what I did was I split my ponytail in half and I twisted both sides. Oh, by the way, this lipstick is matte, so it's not going to smudge or anything. That's why I love this lipstick. You can literally have a whole lunch and be totally fine. So now I'm wrapping the twists around the bun in opposite directions of each other. And then I'm going to go in with one of those springy hair ties just to really lock everything into place. And I only wrapped it around twice and it stayed like that all day. So this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video. I'm still working on my makeup skills and I will have a bunch more tutorials coming for you guys. So definitely make sure you're subscribed and leave me any makeup tips and tricks you have down below. And also any hair tutorials or makeup looks or anything you want to see on my channel, let me know in the description below. Also, if you're hearing this and you're hearing me talk at the end of this video, I just wanted to say that I really do appreciate you. Yes, you. For sticking to the end of the video and hearing my voice. Like, you don't even understand how much that means to me that you are here at the end of the freaking video. Like, yes, I really appreciate that. If you like what you saw, I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe, and that way you will see all my content as soon as I post it without having to search me. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.